So on number 3, we've got 2 cosine x equals square root of 2, and what we're trying to do, again, all we're trying to do is solve for x. The first thing you're going to do then here is we're going to divide by 2 on both sides. So we get cosine of x equals square root 2 over 2. Now we're going to take cosine inverse of the left side, cosine inverse of cosine, we get x equals the cosine inverse of square root 2 over 2. And we're back to inverses. Alright, so cosine inverse falls between quadrants 1 and 2. Cosine's only positive in quadrant 1, not 2, so we're looking at what angle in quadrant 1 gives us a cosine of square root 2 over 2, and we have pi over 4. Okay, now the directions again in this section say solve for all solutions between 0 and 2 pi. So now that we have our first solution, our inverse solution at pi over 4, put it up here. We have to find our reference angle in, well, let's see, where's the other angle, I'm sorry, where's the other quadrant that cosine is positive? Well, it's positive quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. So we need to find an angle down here that has that same reference angle of pi over 4. Okay, we could call this angle negative pi over 4, that's fine. But for our problem, it's restricted to 0 to 2 pi. So instead of going negative pi over 4, we have to go clear around, let's go with green. We have to go all the way around and find what that angle is. And all that is 2 pi minus pi over 4. And you find that to be 7 pi over 4. Alright, so our second solution, we'll put this in black again, is our first solution was pi over 4. The other angle that cosine is positive is down here, and that's 8 pi over 4 minus 1 pi over 4, or 7 pi over 4. And that is number 3.